Welcome to Automated Trading. In this brief video, we will discuss the common myths behind automated trading bots, and we will debunk each one. So, let's dig in. We have revolutionized the way we trade crypto. Automated trading, also known as algorithmic trading, has revolutionized the way people trade in the crypto space. As more traders adopt automation to increase speed, consistency, and efficiency, a number of myths continue to create confusion and unrealistic expectations. At Automated Trading, we aim to clear the air by debunking the most common automated trading myths and helping you make informed decisions. So let's take a look at myth number 1. Automated trading guarantees success. The reality: no trading strategy, automated or manual, can guarantee profits. While automated trading bots can execute strategies quickly and without emotion, their success depends on market conditions, strategy quality, and risk management. Even the best algorithms cannot predict black swan events or sudden market crashes. Regular updates and optimization are essential to adapt to changing market dynamics. Myth number 2. Only tech experts can use automated trading bots. The reality: you don't need to be a programmer to use automated trading tools. At Automated Trading, our bots are fully pre-coded and ready to deploy, designed for beginners and non-tech users. Easy to connect to major crypto exchanges such as Kraken, Coinbase, Binance.us, and Binance. Simply choose a bot, connect the bot to your exchange, and let the automation do the work. No coding required. Myth number 3. Automated trading is only for large institutions. The reality: retail traders can now access the same technology once reserved for hedge funds. Thanks to affordable platforms like automatedtrading.io, individual traders can start with small capital, use professional-grade algorithmic strategies, and compete in real-time markets alongside institutions. Automated trading is no longer exclusive. It's open to everyone. Myth number 4. Backtesting isn't necessary. The reality is, skipping backtesting is one of the biggest mistakes in automated trading. Backtesting allows our bots to test a trading strategy against historical market data to measure profitability, drawdowns, and risk exposure. All of our automated trading bots are backtested and optimized to perform in both trending and volatile markets. Deploying a bot without backtesting is like flying blind. Myth number 5. Automated trading is a shortcut to instant wealth. The truth is this: while automated trading can reduce emotional decisions, it doesn't remove risk entirely. Markets remain unpredictable, and volatility can affect even the best bots. That's why our bots include take profit settings, smart position sizing, risk controls embedded into the strategy, dollar cost averaging, DCA. Risk mitigation does not equal risk elimination. It's about trading smarter, not risk-free. And last, myth number 6. Automated trading eliminates risk. The reality is this: there's no get-rich-quick solution in crypto markets. Crypto remain unpredictable, and volatility can affect even the best bots. That's why our bots include a solid understanding of market trends, a well-tested strategy, as well as ongoing optimization and monitoring. Our bots come with moment-to-moment optimization included, so you don't need to re-upload new strategies. But success still requires patience. At automatedtrading.io, we offer proven pre-coded automated trading bots, built-in risk management, and also ongoing performance optimization and support. Understanding the truth behind these common myths will help you avoid costly mistakes and get the most out of your automated trading experience. So, happy trading!